Hello everyone, welcome in my channel .NET Core in ASP.NET MVC you can say. Today I'm going to show you how to add it or update the user profile. So I have ASP.NET users table in which you can see that ASP usernames are already there. And I want to change that username. I want to add a new field just after that. So what it's going to be, so first of all you can check this, okay, and I want to add it that section, and when we click on the register button, ast@gmail.com, and the password is this. Okay, after that you can update your profile. There is the profile, so there is the username and there is the email. So I want to change some numbers like phone number 9829123456. There is the save is update profile successfully. If you want to add some other fields in it here, so what you do, there is the simple things you can change it. First of all, add a new field in the application user class. So open model folder. Here we have application user class in which you can add the like address string address field. Okay, and after that you can open your view model, that is the manage view model. So open manage view model index view model in which we have their field, and you can add a new field proper string address. Okay, there is the in the view model we have, and after that you can open your view page as well as the controller page also. So in a controller page you can check that manage controller with the index method. In index method you have status message. Also you can add the address field. Oops, there is no index view model is there, but here we cannot change anything. So what's going on? Comma address. Okay, there is user dot address. Okay, that's fine. Now after the index get method, you also change in the post method, but first of all change in the section of the view. So the manage and the index, also we have a phone number, and also you can add the address field. Okay, replace with the phone number with the address. Okay, now when we click on the submit button, you also want to change that in the controller section. So just again the controller section, and the post method of the index is there, and in which you can add it here like the address field. So user dot address, and address get from the view model. So model dot address. Okay, and after that you can changes in the user manager class. So await underscore user manager dot update async, and what is user. Okay guys, you can check this. So first of all use migration to add a new field. Add migration, that is initial migration. Yeah, update database. Okay, you can check that your blank address field is there. So I want to change something, I want to update something. Okay, there is AST and address is not there, so street number 18. Yeah, successfully is updated. You can check into your database. Field, show table data. Yeah, a street is there. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos.